I have a OnePlus One that is a few years old. The battery is not keeping up and I looked into buying a replacement battery. But I decided to build a Powercase which offers more capacity and I'll already have some 18650 cells laying around. I charged the phone from 0 to 100% to see the battery's capacity. A new OnePlus One has a battery capacity of 3000 mAh. My phone has a capacity of around 2330 mAh, so it has lost around 22% of its original capacity. Here is the phone case that I'm gonna use to attach the batteries to, and now I'm just testing the batteries to see that they're around the same voltage. Taking out all the components. Here I'm soldering the batteries together in parallel. Adding the discharge and charge circuit from another power bank. I also added a voltage meter so you could see the voltage. Now I'm adding a RC battery connection so I can fast charge the power bank. I managed to short circuit one of the buttons to the PCB board of the power bank. Something broke and I had to desolder everything. And now I'm just using one power bank circuit. And I'm testing the charge and discharge of the PCB. Adding glue between the case and the batteries to keep them together. As you can see here, I added glue around the port to the phone so it's protected, so you can easily have it in your pocket without worrying that the charge cable will come loose or get damaged. Here is one button to see the voltage, another button to start charging the phone. There's a blue LED that indicates that it's charging the phone. Here is the fast charge feature. I'm using the same battery charger I used to charge my drone batteries. It is also possible to charge the power bank with a normal USB micro cable that you normally charge your phone with. It will charge slower because the power bank circuit I have used allows charging and discharging at 1 ampere. This power bank is fully charged at 4.14 volts because these cells are from an old laptop battery. Each of them contain about 2000 milliamperes. So in total it's a 10,000 milliampere battery that is attached to the phone. And I put glue on the sides to protect the battery terminals. I used sandpaper on the back of the battery so it would be smooth and easily slide in or out of pockets. And this is how I get it out of the case. Here is the charging port. Need to disconnect that, then it slides out. Need to use some force to get it out. And to get it back in, you just slide it in. And connect the charging cable. And then you can slide it in the rest of the way. It works great. I can charge my phone more than enough for one day. When the power bank's voltage drops below 3.5, it charges the phone really slowly.